Hi, today we're going to be looking at how much iron is really inside of breakfast cereals. Hashtag not sponsored. On the box, it states that there is 11.6 milligrams of iron per 100 grams. Knowing this, we have measured out 100 grams of our cereal, and we're going to grind it down to a fine powder. We now have our fine powder of cereal dust, and we are going to spread this out flat and put a piece of paper on top of that to stop it from contacting the magnet directly, and we'll be using a large neodymium magnet to see if we can pull any elemental iron out of our cereal powder. Now, we didn't manage to get much, but you can clearly see these black particles on the piece of paper. That is metallic iron, and we can prove that by moving the magnet behind the piece of paper, and we can see those particles moving along as they're attracted to the magnet. But if we look at that iron on top of our neodymium magnet, you can see it really isn't very much. However, this is more than enough to mean that if we reduce the friction on a piece of cereal, it will actually be attracted to a magnet. And that does sadly bring us to the end, but thank you very much for watching. Please do tune in next week, and please share, like and subscribe. Until then, thank you once again, and carry on learning. Bye.